This is the best. So Kelly and I are at a party Saturday night, and there's a lot of FM 96 staff there, and Weird James from Vagrancy Films was invited. He joins us in the studio. Hey, James.
Hey, guys. What's going on?
Kelly came in this morning, and she told me that you, Weird James, created a little bit of drama in the Mahar household on the weekend.
I did.
Yeah.
Daniel was like, what is with this James guy that you kept talking to all night long?
Whoa.
So funny, eh?
I don't think I think. Did you say he was Polish?
Yeah, that's the thing.
So
He's like, I know you
that's
like
what-
Polish guys.
He likes
He's
Polish guys. So maybe, yeah, it was just you gravitated towards the Polish.
So Daniel is jealous of Weird James.
I'm like, it's Weird James. You can't possibly be jealous of Weird
he
James.
could be jealous of Weird James. I was thought it was funny. People were meeting me and they thought I was going to be look like Rob Zombie.
Yeah.
So that was
Yeah, my buddy Tom said to you, he's like, that's Weird James?
That's Weird James?
Kind of
Yeah.
disappointed. I thought he'd look a lot weirder.
Yeah, very anticlimactic.
I think that's what Daniel thought, too. He said, you left me like 6 or 7 times to go and talk to him. I don't remember doing that, but like, he's a funny guy.
Yeah, he's interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, well, hey.
All right, we got to do your feature here, Weird James.
Monday Movie Massacre.
So the movie that Weird James from Vagrancy Films went to see on the weekend is Prometheus.
We're all here because of a map you two kids found in a cave.
Not a map. An invitation.
From whom?
Whoa, that's her. That's my little Swedish Barry, Noomi Rapace. She was the star of that movie by far. What an incredible movie Prometheus is. I got to tell you, the best movie by far of the summer. Blows the Avengers away.
Really?
My opinion. It's amazing what you can do with a script and real actors and great visuals. And, it was great.
What's
Loved
it about?
Well, it's about these people that find various signs of other life throughout, all these different parts of the world, but they were like 5,000, 6,000 years apart, but they all kind of lead to this same planet. So
Okay.
they convince this old rich guy, Peter Whalen, who, created all the alien technology in the films later on, to send a ship out to this planet to kind of investigate why they all pointed to this particular planet and what they could find when they got there.
Yeah, what's the connection between, you mentioned the movie Alien and Aliens, what's the connection between those movies and this? Like, are the aliens with the long heads and the thing that comes out of the mouth, are they in this movie?
Not to give a lot away, but you can see the beginning of, that distinct architecture that the aliens had in the films that kind of, looks like it was all crystallized and goopy and everything like that. You can see where all that began. And there's something that happens between,
So you don't have to be an Aliens fan to enjoy Prometheus.
You are going to get a lot more out of it, but you don't have to have seen the other films at all to know what's going on in this movie at all. So,
Charlize Theron in this one as well. You just saw her in Snow White and the Huntsman. You said in that she was covered in all sorts of different liquids.
Right.
Like milk and stuff like that.
Milk and black goop, yeah.
How is she looking in Prometheus?
Oh, she first pops on the screen in a sexy little gauze bikini, so how can you go wrong?
Gauze bikini?
Like a gauze. They're all wrapped in gauze. That's probably my only complaint in the movie, that gauze could have been cut a little bit higher in the back, Just a little bit, and the big screen would look better.
Do you think, James, that gauze bikinis are going to catch on, let's say, in Port Stanley and Grand Bend this summer?
Definitely, cheap option. Do that. It looks good.
Go to the dollar store, get some gauze. Yeah.
Oil that up. Looks good.
So James rates movies based on how many shots of alcohol out of the Mickey he sneaks into the theater he has to do. How many shots? So the worse the movie, the more shots it gets.
Right.
How many shots did Prometheus get?
I only had to have one shot.
Wow. A one-shotter?
And that was just to get my game on and get prepared. That was it.
That was probably during the previews.
That was during the previews,
wow,
yeah.
Must be so good.
When I went home, I had to hit it. I'm probably going to go see it again tonight because there's a lot of it I've been thinking about it a lot over the weekend. Some of it, just kind of sinking in.
I'll go see it with you.
Yeah?
I'll go see it tonight.
I'm sneaking some Mickey.
Kelly, we'd invite you, but Daniel will get jealous.
I'm not allowed.
Come on.
I can't hang out with
Let's
Weird
go see it
James.
at the drive-in.
Okay, next week, Weird James, there's 2 terrible-looking movies coming out this week. There's
please.
Friday, Rock of Ages with Tom Cruise and the gang.
God.
Pour some sugar on me.
And also Adam Sandler's new one, That's My Boy. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it the question, and we're going to ask FM 96 listeners what movie they want you to see this weekend,
Good idea.
Okay.
All right, thanks for coming in, Weird James.
Okay.
Monday Movie sicker.